To set up Metasploitable. Now, this is going to be a tricky one, but I've tried very hard to make sure that the step-by-step guide, the written version, matches the video recording, but it's going to be tough. It's going to be a tough one. But let's get this through. Just please pay attention to this, because there's some steps here. If you miss, it won't work. Metasploitable won't work on UTM. So, all right, let's try this. So we've got, in the previous download, we had the zipped file of Metasploitable. Go back to step number 2. We have this file over here. This is the hard drive of metasploitable.vmdk. We want to convert that into a QEMU file. It's a QCOW2 file so that it can run in UTM. Okay, let's do this. So that's the first step. So we've already installed, the step already has installed, we've already done that, we've installed that. Now what we need to do is go into, bring up a terminal up here. Let's just make that a bit bigger. Okay, and we've got to find this location, got to go to that location here. So I'll do ls to have a look at the file structure here. Desktop. Yep, that's it. So this folder is in the desktop. So we'll change CD, change drive. Desktop, we'll do an ls again, see what else is there. There's lab software. So this is unique to me. When you downloaded it and unzipped the files, you might have put it in downloads. That's why I told you to take note of where you put it. So now we're going to lab software. So change drive lab software. It's case sensitive, so I've got to be careful. And then ls, and here it is. That's the one, that's the folder we want to go into. So I'm going to do change directory. I'm just going to write meta and then a star. That's the wildcard symbol. That means I just ignore the rest of the command, and that'll go straight into it. See, that means that it matches everything here. Okay, so if there's only one of these names, that's fine. If there's 2 of the names, it won't work. So anyway, topic for another time. That's a Linux topic. So we're in this folder, this directory, and this is the one here that we want to change. Okay, we want to convert that to a QCOW2 file format so that it can work when we add it in UTM. Perfect. Here's the code right there. So I'm going to do Command C to copy that. Then I'm going to Command and V in the terminal here, and then enter. So it should convert that now. Here it is. See, did you notice that? It's there now, and it's there now as well. So if we do an ls to list the contents of the directory, there you can see it right there. Perfect. That's a good start. Now we can go into UTM. Now this is the tricky part. Okay. All right, check this out. Create a new virtual machine. Emulate. Other. Click on none. Yeah, click on none. Weird, but okay. Okay. Bring that down to 1. You only need a 1 gigabyte RAM for this one. Add maybe, I think 1 should be fine. 1 CPU core. Leave that. Leave the system. Go to continue. We only need 20 gigs, maybe even less than that, but that's fine. 20 gigs of hard drive space. Continue. Continue again. Pay attention now. Please focus. I'm sorry to say this. I'm sorry to push this point. You've got to do this now, okay? Well, you don't have to do the name. The name's not important. But I'm going to do. I'm going to write Metasploitable. Okay. But this is the important part right here. Please take your time. We're going to go through this together, okay? But make sure you follow the exact steps. Otherwise, you're just going to loop and it's going to go. It's just not working at all. Now we go to save. it will automatically open up the settings area. Paying attention, we're going to click on QEMU. We're going to deselect UEFI boot. Okay, what did we do? We deselected, we clicked on QEMU, deselected UEFI. Okay, now take a breath. Got it? I'm sorry for doing this, but this is the cause of 99% of the problems with Metasploitable. Just that the students don't click on that. So I've got to go over and over and over again. But if we all do this and watch the video and follow instructions, you'll be avoiding that mistake and you'll have a smoother experience. But we need to see this down here. There's the drives, this IDE drive. We're going to control, select that. We're going to delete that. Okay, delete. Yep, have to do this. Going to select on new drive. Don't worry about the size is not a problem, it's fine. We'll go to import, and this is where we select the metasploitable.qcow2, the one that we just converted. Click on open, save. And I'm smiling because if this works, that's it for me for the day. I can go home, which is just upstairs. I'm done for the day because this is the hardest one of them all. It gets slightly easier. Now we press play on this, and now, oh good, this is great. This is a great news. This is what we're looking at. To get to this stage it took about 3 or 4 months of research and hard work, and you know, experimenting and working and troubleshooting. But you know what? We got there. And we're giving this gift to you as the students. So please use this, enjoy it, and remember me, late nights figuring this out for you guys. But have fun. This is great. This is good. This is exciting. This means that you can perform the lab on a Mac, whereas previously we said to students, well, I can't really help you because it's not this lab is not we can't, you know, this is not available on a Mac. But I don't believe in a no-win situation, so I found the way to do this. All right, perfect. When it comes to the Windows version of this, it's just they got so easy, those Windows users. Those you know. Anyway, so the login, it's there already. You can see it. It's I can't put the mouse on it because the mouse doesn't show you, but it's MSF admin is the username, which is the same as the password. And voila, we're in. That's it. That's Metasploitable, waiting for us to do some pen testing on it. When we set up Kali, we'll be able to do pen testing on this and get results. And this is a vulnerable machine. I'm just going to do an IPA, which shows me the IP address.